हेलो, दिस इज़ मी अभिनव कुमार श्रीवास्तव वंस अगेन। और आज सुबह भी मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया जिसको मैंने अपडेट भी किया बिकॉज आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टुडे विथ grace of my guide sir, Professor Pahadia sir. Today I will be leaving at 2 p.m. for IG International Airport because it will take another 2 hours for frisking and airport formalities and so on. Khair. While after the first video I am making this second video to show definitely in future to my students how I have communicated and made my communication successful with the negotiating, you can say negotiating and getting the third party or the front party convinced. Let me show something on my inbox. Okay, this is I think so it is clear. Yes, Chandrika ma'am, who is also director at Ministry of Water Supply in Sri Lanka. With her I am in conversation from last 2 months, and this is continuity of 38 plus 4 42 plus 2 44 emails. Let me show a bunch of 38 emails that with conversation everything is possible. I think Chandrika 38. Let me show. कहाँ गया माउस, कहाँ गया कर्सर? Anyhow, okay. The first mail I sent on 22nd. The first mail I sent on 22nd November 2011 to Chandrika ma'am, and this is the proctored letter which I will also show in the hard copy format. And then ma'am replied very genuinely that I will be happy to help you. Kindly send me detail of your projects. And then a series of emails from me to ma'am and ma'am to me, then ma'am to me, again me to ma'am. All these letters, almost 38 letters. What I am doing is the real use of healthy use of technology, either it's laptop or it's camera. This in addition to this more than 40 mails, I have something more to show with me. Where's my mobile here? Here is my mobile, and in parallel to this I have more than 50 SMS. Chandrika ma'am, Sri Lanka, guide sir, Chandrika SRL. I think vision is not clear, but this is clear that this is Chandrika SRL. Chandrika ma'am, Sri Lanka, Chandrika 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 Sri Lanka. Definitely Chandrika Sri Lanka, Chandrika Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka. These all SMS are either sent or they have came. And definitely for referring in the class as an example how we can use the technology up to maximum, reducing the cost and time. Chandrika guide sir, Chandrika guide sir. Oh, so the thing is that every SMS in the international call cost me more than 6 rupees. So I have invested a healthy investment of 300 rupees. Okay, and we misuse our SMS, email and everything, but I have made a healthy use. And definitely all these emails are with me, and I will get this SMS in my archive box of this set definitely, because from this video caption the message and the mail and the SMS is not very clear. But let me make another healthy attempt so that I can show. Yes, Chandrika SRL. This is the second number of ma'am. through whose reference I have been there. Because conversation has not been very clear on mode of via telephone, so we were in touch via mail and only via SMS, and finally I got the permission. Today evening I will be leaving. Very thankful to sir, because without his kind mentoring I was unable to endorse such a series of emails to ministry, and it is very difficult to get some other countries governmental sections permission. Yes, anyone can get permission of any other country's NGO or private firms or corporate sector, but it's very difficult to get the countries, any country's ministry's permission or concern for certain sort of work. So with this I wind up my caption review, expressing my sincere thanks to Professor N.C. Padia sir, Papa, Mummy, everyone, and let's see. I will be continuing for making video postulates. सत्यमेव जयते. जय हिंद, जय भारत.